1. OXX Coffee Box. OXX Coffee Box is a rugged and high-performance coffee maker designed to deliver a hot and satisfying coffee in the toughest environments. Crafted by OXX, known for durable and portable coffee solutions, this coffee maker is built for those who need a reliable chava fix in demanding situations. Featuring robust and crush-proof construction, the coffee box is designed to withstand the rigors of job sites, camping trips, and outdoor adventures. The tough exterior protects the internal components, ensuring your coffee maker remains functional even in challenging conditions. With a single-serve design compatible with K-Cup pots, the coffee box brews a consistent and flavorful cup of coffee, providing a quick and convenient caffeine boost. 2. Vault-Can Titanium Military Mess Kit. Vault-Can Titanium Military Mess Kit is a premium and lightweight solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and survivalists who demand durability and functionality in their cookware. Crafted by Vault-Can, known for quality titanium products, this mess kit offers a reliable and compact cooking set for on-the-go situations. Constructed from high-grade titanium, the mess kit is not only exceptionally durable but also incredibly lightweight, making it ideal for backpacking and camping where every ounce matters. Titanium is also corrosion-resistant, ensuring longevity and easy maintenance. The kit typically includes a pot, a pan, and a folding spork, providing essential cooking and eating utensils in a compact form. 3. Gerber Gear Devour Multi-Fork. Gerber Gear Devour Multi-Fork is a versatile and compact outdoor eating utensil designed for the modern adventurer. Crafted by Gerber Gear, renowned for innovative outdoor tools, the Devour Multi-Fork combines functionality, portability, and durability in one cleverly designed tool. Featuring a unique pivoting design, the Devour Multi-Fork unfolds into a full-sized fork, making it easy to handle your meals while camping, hiking, or enjoying outdoor activities. The fork also integrates a serrated edge on one side, functioning as a dual-purpose cutting tool, ideal for slicing through food or opening packages. Designed with practicality in mind, the Devour Multi-Fork includes multiple integrated tools, such as a bottle opener and a can opener, eliminating the need to carry separate utensils. 4. Evergreen 56 Waterproof Case. Evergreen 56 Waterproof Case is a reliable and durable solution designed to keep your valuable items safe and dry in various aquatic environments. Crafted by Evergreen, a brand known for quality outdoor and adventure gear, this waterproof case provides peace of mind for water-related activities. Constructed with high-quality materials, the Evergreen 56 Waterproof Case ensures watertight protection for your essentials, such as smartphones, keys, wallets, and more. The secure and airtight seal shields your belongings from water, sand, dust, and dirt, making it an ideal companion for beach trips, water sports, or any outdoor adventure where water exposure is a concern. 5. Suproc Survival Shovel. Suproc Survival Shovel is a versatile and compact tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and survivalists who value portability and multifunctionality. Crafted by Suproc, a brand known for durable outdoor gear, this survival shovel packs a variety of features into its compact form. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Suproc Survival Shovel serves as a multi-tool, featuring a shovel head with a serrated edge for digging, a pick for breaking through tough terrain, and a saw blade for cutting through branches and other materials. The modular design allows the shovel to be disassembled, revealing additional tools such as a knife, whistle, fire starter, and bottle opener. The collapsible design makes it easy to carry and store, making it an essential addition to any outdoor adventure or emergency preparedness kit. 6. Garmin Satellite Communicator. Garmin Satellite Communicator is a cutting-edge device designed for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and adventurers who require reliable communication in remote or challenging environments. Crafted by Garmin, a leading name in GPS technology, this satellite communicator provides a crucial link to the outside world when traditional communication methods are unavailable. Featuring satellite messaging capabilities, the Garmin Satellite Communicator allows users to send and receive text messages, share location information, and request emergency assistance. all using the Iridium satellite network. Its robust and durable design ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor activities. Equipped with GPS functionality, the device provides accurate location tracking and navigation features. 7. BioLite Headlamp. BioLite Headlamp is a state-of-the-art lighting solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and adventurers who demand high performance and versatility. Crafted by BioLite, a brand known for innovative outdoor energy solutions, this headlamp combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. Featuring a lightweight and ergonomic construction, the BioLite headlamp provides a comfortable and secure fit for extended wear. The moisture-wicking fabric ensures breathability, making it suitable for various outdoor activities like hiking, running, and camping. One of the standout features is the 3D Slim Fit construction, which ensures a balanced and no-bounce fit on the forehead. The headlamp is equipped with a powerful 330 lumen output, offering bright illumination for navigating trails or performing tasks in low light conditions. 8. VSSL Mini Stash Speaker. VSSL Mini Stash Speaker is a compact and versatile outdoor speaker that combines audio performance with practical utility. Crafted by VSSL, known for innovative outdoor gear, this speaker is designed for adventurers who seek both quality sound and functionality in a portable package. Compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand, the Mini Stash Speaker delivers impressive audio quality, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings, camping trips, or any on-the-go listening experience. With a rugged and durable build, it's built to withstand the elements, making it suitable for various outdoor environments. What sets the Mini Stash Speaker apart is its multifunctionality. 9. Tivico Portable Utensils. Tivico Portable Utensils are a smart and eco-friendly dining solution for individuals on the go. Crafted by Tivico, these portable utensils offer a convenient way to reduce single-use plastic waste while maintaining the functionality and convenience of traditional cutlery. This set typically includes a fork, knife, spoon, chopsticks, a cleaning brush, and a compact carrying case, all designed with portability and durability in mind. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, these utensils are robust, easy to clean, and resistant to corrosion, ensuring longevity and repeated use. The compact and lightweight design makes the Tivico portable utensils ideal for outdoor activities, travel, work, or any situation where disposable utensils might be used. 10. Nebo Torchy. Nebo Torchy is a compact and powerful flashlight designed for everyday carry and versatile illumination. Crafted by Nebo, a trusted brand in innovative lighting solutions, the Torchy stands out with its impressive output and convenient features. With a compact and pocket-friendly design, the Torchy is built for on-the-go use. Despite its small size, it boasts a maximum output of 1,000 lumens, providing a strong and focused beam for various tasks. The flashlight features a magnetic base for hands-free use, making it convenient for working on projects or navigating in low-light situations. The Torchy typically offers multiple lighting modes, including high, medium, low, and strobe settings, allowing users to adapt the brightness to their specific needs.